could you say something about the making of this film and what you went through in the making of it as wonderful actors?
No, you go first.
Well, the making of the film, it was wonderful to make. I had a great time on it. I enjoyed it hugely. It was a very ambitious project for a science fiction because of the constraints of the budget. So Crad and John, the director and producer, were very brave to tackle it. So there was a sense of camaraderie, I think, because of that in a way. So it was great fun to play because the script was so strong, which is what attracted you to it in the first place.
For me, because all the other characters I played in Iran, it was so different from this one. So it was so much fun to shave my hair, have a different makeup, working with these great actors. I knew them from Star Wars.
One of my great roles. Yeah.
And it was such a pleasure to work in a different environment.
Now, the story was a very deep story, set in the future. Could you say something about, in Britain we don't very often make sci-fi. Could you say something about what the story's about and, making a sci-fi film in England?
You don't have accent.
Okay, all right. It is, I guess, making a British finance sci-fi is very unusual. I'm sorry, I've totally it's been a long evening.
It's about a scientist because he has a sick daughter and he wants to help her. So he built this beautiful machine because he wants to make her daughter to come back to the life again. So it's a journey of the machine to go on.
It's also, I guess, one of the main threads of the film is about artificial intelligence and the fact that there's an attempt in the film to build a conscious machine, conscious in a human sense, conscious machine which is conscious enough to make decisions on its own account. And how far do we want to go with that? What is the ultimate achievement there? And do we really want to achieve that? We need to ask ourselves that question because I think it's probably not that far in the future.
I agree. I think it may well be just round the corner. I thought this film was a great film. I thought it was wonderfully acted. And I think sci-fi fans everywhere will really enjoy watching this film, of which I am one. So thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks very much.